Well, welcome back to my channel. Here we are at the early bird. This is the carbine match. 50 yards. Pigeons on a cardboard backer. That wasn't good there. Only had one hit. Got Matt there on the left. Grant, Brian O, me, Sparky over there on the right hand side. Our board is just above Sparky's head there to the right. Now Sparky gets one in there. Brian O got one. To a slow start here. Matt gets two. And Grant's got one. Sparky's got two. Hey, I finally got one. Grant's got two. Sparky's got three. Brandon's got one. I got mine in there. Oh, we're hitting them down here pretty good. Matt got that one. It didn't break the tile, but it broke enough off. Take care of them here pretty quick. Oh, Sparky gets it. We got that done fairly quick. Alright, thanks for watching.